Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine and you enjoyed a lot of your small summer break. Now it is the time for study. We have completed our UT. Now today we are going to start the term 1 syllabus. And in term 1 syllabus I am going to start chapter 6, that is square and square roots. So pay your 100% attention. Thank you. Yes, Pete. This is chapter 6, squares and square roots. What do you mean by square and square roots? First I will tell you about squares. When a number multiply by itself, we get the square of the number and the result is called squared number or perfect square. For example, just like 3 multiplied by 3, this is equal to 3 square. 3 raised to the power 1, 3 raised to the power 1. Then when we multiply two numbers, same numbers, then we will get the 3 squares. It means 3 two times. 3 squares means 3 two times. That is 9. Just like 4 into 4 is 4 square. That is 16. 4 4 is 16. Power 2 is read as square. Just like 3 raised to the power 2, we read it 3 square. 4 raised to the power 2, we read it 4 square. So whenever power 2, we will read it as square. When x raised to the power 2, we call it x square. 4 raised to the power 2, this is read as 4 square. And it means multiply 4 two times. Multiply 4 two times. Minus 2 square. That is, this will read it as square of minus 2. That is minus 2 into minus 2. This is 4. Minus 3 square. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. So square of any negative number is always positive. Just like minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to 9. Minus multiply by minus is plus. Now second fact is numbers lying between squares of any two consecutive numbers are not perfect squares. Means numbers lying between squares of any two consecutive numbers are not perfect square. The numbers which lying in between the square of any two numbers, for example, 5 square is 25 and consecutive numbers are 5 and 6. 6 square is 36. So numbers lying between 5 square and 6 square, numbers between 25 and 36, that is 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 are not perfect square. These are not perfect square, these numbers. 25 is perfect square because it is the square of 5, and 36 is the perfect square because it is the square of 6. But all these numbers which lying between 25 and 36 are not perfect square. Next thing, a square number always have 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at the units place. How can you identify the square number? The second thing is this, whose unit place are 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. These are the square numbers. The number has 2, 3, 7 or 8 at units place are not perfect square. What are the numbers which are not perfect square? Whose unit digits are 2, 3, 7 or 8. They are not perfect square. A number has odd number of zeros at the end are not perfect square. A number odd number of zeros at the end are not perfect square. Just like if they end with 1 0 or 3 zeros or 5 zeros or 7 zeros, these are not perfect square. 10 is not the square of any number. So these are not the square of any number. 10, 1000, 100 is the square of 10 because number of zeros are 2. That is even. Now next thing, square of even numbers are always even and square of odd numbers are always odd. Just like 4 is the even number, so 4 square is 16. 16 is also even. 8 square is 64. 8 is even, so its square is also even number, 64. And odd number square as always odd. Just like 3 is odd number, then 3 square is 9. 5 is odd number, 5 square is 25. 25 is also odd. So it means square of even numbers are always even and square of odd numbers are always odd. Next thing, number of digits in the square of one digit number is either 1 or 2. Suppose that any digit is there, any number is there, one digit number is there, just like 2 is there. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36. So what I told you, if one digit number is there, then square of that one digit number either have 1 or 2 digit. Just like 2 square is 4, so 2 is also having one digit and 4 is also having one digit. Means square of one digit number also having one digit. Same here. But square of one digit number in this case is 36. It can have 2 digit. 9 square 81. So it means the square of number of digit in the square of one digit number either 1 or 2. भाई या तो उसके स्क्वायर में एक डिजिट होगा या 2 डिजिट होंगे. Same here. Number of digits in the square of 2 digit numbers are either 3 or 4. Now if we square any number which have 2 digits, so the number of digits in that number is 3 or 4. Just like 10. How many digits in 10? 2, 1 and 0. So 10 square is 100. So square of 10, 3 digits are there. In 10, 2 digits are there, 1 and 0. And in 100, 3 digits are there, 1, 0 and 0. 1, 0 and 0. Same here. 11 square, 121. 13 square is 169. 31 square is 961. 39 square is 1521. So if we square that any number which have 2 digits, then its square having 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digit or 4 digit. Just like 39 has 2 digits, but its square has 4 digits. 31 has 2 digits, but its square has 3 digits. So if we square the number having 2 digit, then the answer of that, I mean square of that number either having 3 digits or 4 digits. So beta, you must learn all these. Just like 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, like this. And 20 square 400, like this. 21 square is this. In this way up to 30. All these should be on your tips. So whenever you have the time, cram all these. 1 to 30 squares, you should be on your tips. One more thing, if a number has 1 or 9 at units place, then its square ends in 1. Suppose that 11 is there. 11 में यूनिट प्लेस पे कौन सा डिजिट है? 1. एंड 19 में यूनिट्स प्लेस पे क्या डिजिट है? 9. तो लुक हियर, व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 11? 121. व्हाट इज द डिजिट एट units place? 1. And 19 is where? This one is 19. 19 square is 361. So what I want to say, if the unit digit of any number is 1 or 9, the unit digit of its square is also 1. And if unit digit of any number is 2 or 8, Why it is so? Because 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. So both the square ends with 1. If any number is ends with 2 or 8, mean units place having the digit at the units place is 2 or 8. Then what is the square of 2? 4. And what is the square of 8? 64. Then its square ends in 4 also. Suppose that 12 is there. So where is the 12? 12 is this. So 12 square is 144. 12 is ends at 2. The units place in 12 is 2. Then units place of its square is 4. And same for the 18. In 18, what is the unit digit? 8. And what is the unit digit of its square? 4. Because 8 is 64. So 4 is there. So in this way, if a number has 2 or 8 at units place, then its square ends in 4. Same here. If a number is 3 or 7 at units place, then its square ends in 9. Because 3 square is 9 and 7 square is 49. This one 17 square, because the units place digit is 7. Then what is the units place of its square is 9. 17 square is 289. So that I am saying. If the number is ends at 3 or 7, then its square ends in 9. And if a number has 4 or 6 at units place, just like 14, so what is the square of 4? 16. What is the square of 6? 36. So the square ends in 6. And if a number has 5 at units place, then its square also ends in 5. That I told you, a number with odd number of zeros in the end is never a perfect square. So read all this. Just like this example is there, write the unit digit of square the following numbers. Of 25, what is the unit digit of the square of 25? Because unit digit in the given number is 5. So its square ends with 5. Unit digit is 5. So 25 of the square. 19 is there. 19, what is the unit digit of 19? 9. What is the square of 9? 81. So 19 ends with 9. You think it like this. 25 ends, the square of 25 is end at 5 because 25 ends with 5. What is the square of 19? Whatever be the square of 19, but the unit digit of 19 square is 1 because 19 ends with 9. 14 square किस नंबर पे एंड होगा? 6 पे, because 14 ends with 4 and 4 square is 16. 18 is there. 18, the unit digit of the square of 18 is what? 8 8 is 64. So ends, square of 18 ends with the digit, unit digit of the square of 18 is 4, as 18 ends with 8 in this way. Example 4, which of the following square numbers ends with unit digit as 6? इन सब में से 6 पे एंड किसका होगा? अब सपोज दैट 36 स्क्वायर है, तो यूनिट डिजिट इज 6. 6 6 is 36. तो दिस ऑल्सो द स्क्वायर ऑफ 36 इज एंड्स विद द यूनिट डिजिट 6. 24 square, the unit digit of 24 is 4. So its square ends with 6 because 4 4 is 16. 192 whole square, no. 2 square is 4. So it never ended at a unit digit 6. 256, the unit digit is 6. So square of this also end with 6. I mean unit digit of the 256 whole square is also 6. So in this number, in option A, B and D, A, B and D, these are the numbers whose squares having units place is 6. if you have to write the reason, because unit digit of 36 is 6, unit digit of 24 is 4, and unit digit of 256 is also 6. So in this way you can tell ki which the square of which number is get ended with the unit digit 6. Next, are the given number perfect square? If not, why? Is this a perfect square? No, because only one zero is there. The numbers having odd number of zeros are not the perfect square. This one is perfect square because 3 zeros are there at the ends. So this is also not a perfect square. This one is perfect square. No, this is also not the perfect square because number of zeros at the end is 3. And any number which have odd number of zeros at the last, then that is not the perfect square. Solution is this: no, the number are not perfect square as they all have odd number of zeros in the end. So in example 5, no any number is perfect square. Now look at the exercise. Exercise 6.1, question number 1. The square of dash number is always even. Square of even number is always even. A number ending with dash number of zeros is never a perfect square. Yes, you can tell. Number of ending with odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. If a number is ending with 1 or 9, then its square ends with, what is the 1 square? 1. 9 square? 81. If a number is ending with 1 or 9, then its square ends with 1. Ends with 1. If a number has 5 at units place, then its square ends in 5 पे एंड होता है तो उसका स्क्वायर का एंड कहाँ पे होगा? 5 स्क्वायर 25. Square is also ends in 5. So students, it is sufficient for today. Next lecture I will try to solve all these questions also. First we try to understand each and every concept, just like I told you these things. So many rules I told you. You just these square up to 30 should be on your tips. आपको ये याद करने 1 to 30 and these points. A square of a number always this. If a number has 1 or 9, then this. So what are perfect square? How many? Is 32 a perfect square? No, because 32 lying between 5 square and 6 square. So what you have to do, you in your fair notebook, just what you have to do, example 6, 7, 8, these are not today. Example 6, 7, 8 limited. Example this one, example 2, and then example 3, example 4, example 5, and then question number 1. This one, this question number 1, you completed in your fair notebook, and this time no space is there. Don't left your work on day after tomorrow. I will do it next day, I will do it after 2 days. This is the wrong habit. So cut it. Every day's homework should be completed on the same day. Only then it is the beneficial to you. Thank you, बच्चों.